Hello, hello. Okay. Okay, thank you for your attention. One housekeeping thing, because that's my specialty. A set of keys has been found in this area, so in case you are missing your keys, please go to the registration desk. That said, talking about keys to Huntington's disease and neurodegenerative diseases, it's my extreme pleasure to welcome Dieter Edbauer for the special plenary lecture today. Dieter Edbauer, in addition to being a great guy, is a very original and accomplished scientist. Hails us as a professor of biochemistry from Munich, where he works at the DZNE and at the German Center for Neurodegenerative Diseases. And he's here because he has made some very fundamental, brought some very fundamental insights to the field of C9orf. He put RAN translation on the map as a disease mechanism, and as we will hear, will hear today, also as a therapeutic target in C9orf. And I think there is a lot to be learned from ALS and FTD. And with that, I ask you to welcome Dieter Edbauer. Thank you very much.